Switches can generally be categorized into three types: linear, tactile, and tactile plus audible. A linear switch is just a simple switch that provides no feedback to the user. A tactile switch provides physical feedback or a bump that the user can feel when the switch is actuated. And a tactile plus audible switch or a clicky switch has both the physical bump and a loud audible click to indicate actuation. Tactile switches are ideal in applications where the user might not be able to see the switch due to its location, or where the user isn't looking at the keys or controls. The actuator force determines how strong the feedback is, with a higher force producing more distinct feedback. This feedback provides the user with confirmation that the switch is fully actuated, allowing them to operate controls by feel rather than by sight. TE Connectivity's Alcoswitch Tactile Switches, available from Mouser Electronics, are small and thin switches that are designed to be mounted on a PCB in applications that will experience hundreds of thousands of actuations over years or even decades. They're offered in a variety of configurations and sizes to fit unique applications, and their tactile feedback improves the end user's interaction with any equipment they're installed in. The family includes miniature encoder switches with a screwdriver slot actuator that is turned to open or close the switch, an edge mount right angle option, ultra miniature surface mount tactile switches, and 5-position tactile switches that can be actuated in 4 directions and have a center push button. These switches all feature an operating life rated from 100,000 to 600,000 cycles, but for the most demanding applications, TE offers an ultra-long life tactile switch rated for 10 million cycles. The large variety of physical configurations and operating life ratings allows the switches to fit a wide range of functions and use cases. These also have a range of force ratings for flexibility in how much feedback is provided to the user. TE Alcoswitch Tactile Switches are suitable for medical devices, elevators, security equipment, portable electronics, laptops, lighting, mobile phones, and many other applications. TE Connectivity's Alcoswitch Tactile Switches are available now on Mouser.com.